generate concern pa. Schools are. Well, say Casadia, a free catch, they call JHS1. A Jafia Yababe Remu 2021. And one Bessan Aqua School. Well, I'm Rebecca Yabakaya. Many Orajatia Private Schools Council, many to train come on. And you may also so cross so ABY and in it was so banning issues so far to raise concerns be. Say private schools for no idea one more bread. Kabine bedroom home. Na what be a school so no one. Even say near the kind managers of this school, honest proprietors of this school. Sikasam na kwa bibia wo ho. Ye to so mienu a teacher from no ankasa wo mo chira de sa private schools yi mu no. Concerns ni de on a daily basis benya bi. Si je mu ni aban kasa no mbie schools no. Ya betre fie be ya bosome nan, bosome nsia, ye ntua ye ka. Ena nya dia ya ko page ma hofro ye benya dwuma hofro so so aye. Etmuni aban kasa no mbie schools no. Asam no koye two sides of a coin. Ahubaba na ye. Say you bet me am front to fefe. Catch. Ofra wanya mfie mienu mfie miensa. 24 just fund the woman in kakra. But no pono. Ahubaba no eti say. So bet me abom mfra no ho ban e wo schools. Like obase aban no ABS school no a. One bet me am my assurance no. Say one be hwe mfra no so. Na fei ye hwe other side no so so a. Genuinely. One mo chire one ampa. Eno so nsam na kwai bebre. Well, anapai. More than your trust and come to channel so. Be a private school teacher, and now we are private school worker. We are security, and now only the animal Corano. We are driver of private school. Well, stand by. Yakuan, maybe a phone line, sir. Private school workers. But we are friend of also so the concern about. But send me a message and stand up. Now can't come to channel 0556748029. 0556748029. Figures be a brand Orajatia or Casabani issues. So, like I said, Kasuan Kwano, 50 mantem Kasuan Kwano, over 1,000 private schools. And they were hot. And it's true, Kasua private schools were hot. And you know, you can imagine, say, teacher for me, do my four, one more Ewofino, near one more FM. Chino ase na makomi telephone ahomano eso but medical ka join komacho chino 0556748029 0556748029 around Docas forcing ye Meshiaminia why financial secretary early childhood Association of Ghana. Meneno ebetwetwe nkomo. Antidokas.
Yes.
Apombo kodie.
Yankopon adom no hoye.
Say what is America say mehia me nua me anso so yefrɛ me Chief Jerry Forson. Entina say Forson no na say. That bibi abakode. Well, as an association, mentimi hu president's decision and our government's decision say a free early childhood say mo mafam ha de kopim GHS1 wa mo enche school ase in fact academic year na yenche ase afoforo kra from 2021 mo je ne say doctors
Jinaya president listen yentimi nkase sanso no yo manso me yesha odun kurana nanso mo efa beedi no eya na yihu ne se beebi chia kakra dienti America sana se wodie una mabonta beebi a una mo ya tu ni chem patom go hwese sa social distancing no e wo ho no o practice na Ubedru baby, the crazy no more dear. Sir, Obi no touching water, the non kakra, no dear mother no kakra, or dear worry no kakra. Senka almost good, empty me myself. I say, a training people are, your French in Koreano, now you walk of dream. In Tita, then I say you will school and massa. And now, the first video, what be said, and there will be an abandonment of Jan. Obey me and for be said. Then we could into no mamma me. And the public one 18. In Tiabasa, and crying in an now, one said, no, Yenina, the weekend. Ye besha kisa enkwani bomu bibia na omudi agro enti ye bisa fa ho no de senka omu ko tu a enkano so be bua nkra no pa na de ye besha omu ni pa enti na you
so example ana wo ma say emofra no sanya kwan amfa so di agro ewo efie wamu bomu yo and wamu edi agro so wamu ba school money ekom ho no what is the guarantee because my friend there I don't know how many teachers and how many come my friend now say am breaki na my friend wamu di agro we bo we titar we ni ade a mo my assurance no say matete teacher for wamu ebe hwe nkora no saturday ni mo de mamu abreben Antidokas
early no is a middle of this month, GS COVID training for teachers. Yeah, COVID training for teachers. I bet you want to say, Mukarano, many you say. Me bato
jina ye kakra ma me line na ya na confirm.
Yeah. Me ya bet you say, the meme classroom and Kurani ye 4th year. A year to talk me one now. Open doors. In your water, a dining and classroom. Now, in the classroom, honor, you will be our chair, my dear. Any assignment attendance for classroom. It is a time we share and class 20 years. Let get this say, who bet me a show me, I shall say, and near my dear Shamini, in your support to GDB. You know, the name many who are born say, a crying or the amount of research and the movie. So, I sit at home, a show for that 20 years. Meaning, say, or more bishop of Sabi and the man, I say, I say, the teachers at the year.
Well, but who did this? Our force so bebre no bebrape say in these abnormal times. One more beja, one more say one more embrace school. Antidokas.
No, you will feel I will follow the drone. It's mystery. Say you should organize classes. This class friend is a few or no, my 3. Many almost a little bit to be a Then to me, yes, na me tia emra president every time every ato no. Enti di bona me fe di sana nko ye ko school da be. Ye ni na ye ko say ya ye ko be we. Ebe ko na yetimi asan akọ. Enti awofo ni de e die me di kai na me tele kan. E ni obia na ba se mo den. Se okodi ne pa. Obi o wa ni ni wo fifi. Obeba na suma du. Oni sika o di fo bi se fa be hwe me ba ma ne. Enti san ko fo ni na no. Omo ye ready se ombe mo ba be su. Me na ma hototo omo wo ye mu se omo so ma ba no kra na. Di bi ti ahwe omo se bia omo ni se nko ane na ma bonten no. Omo wo ta hototo ni wo mu se ti ahwe omo ma wo.
Okay, but Early Childhood Association association are both private and public early childhood teachers and I private in kwa.
It's public school teachers in school.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Your first of the man, Ghana, na. It's private. Almost so come.
Okay, maybe no because Saturday TV by as a cry no every private schools no more as compared to public schools for no the plead to open schools MBA schools no as a private schools for no almost more chain public schools for no.
Oh, okay. For public school there, almost 30 almost 50 na almost 30 aba. Na so the any people pay say na so you pick up for no so almost as I say omo ye aduma. Me no wo kasi me headmaster the free no. Or a high fidelity was free.
Oh.
So
COVID break.
Yeah. COVID break last month, middle of last month. Mainly TV, no. May be making na surprise to be asked if you may be able to make a crack up one ticket. But I never said yeah, Juma, near dinner party, manner. So, if a number of teachers are any attendants are almost if you're more you warm, our monkey. Young proprietors, private school, early childhood association. Proprietors are your womb. And if I say, I'm not waiting to salary from us, I bet you, my dear, say, will be intimate. As I say, you're encouraging. In that case, you know, almost so study, and come air the warm.
Okay, but say argument no ko fa hosa no dia na akwai say asa mo dream mo nko am mo dream mo fra no mo safety ho mo ho e kire mo e na mo dwene ho mo fra no ho safety no dia ena dia e fam ho sa.
Oh, and let you ho pe dem di kan kai say.
Yes.
Ya training yen. E kan ya yen fa so nchen nkora no. Enti no say okwa me ka transfer no su benya no di ahwe ne ma o won so ajibi but they say ye ni na ma ye kana so ba ko ni tifie na so ka me ka sa me say na kete ye nti say de ko school na ni wo ibo ibo mo aye kele say nti ya ye di ama ye no yan so ye de ko so adi ahwe nkora no ya de sa de ni o mo feed ni ade ni na no o ya bi aya ye the division for that.
Well, it's moving forward. And I'm here say abain betu na ni ya to deal with this issue. Doctors, na minya kwan.
Mate. And I'm here say abain to make yes when I only say January in the business no. Esa sam kwani bu abonten. Lenina ni nkora ne na madonten bibia ai monokora na ho bible e man nkora no but omo best ma ye betimi ahwe omo yie e konso omo tisi atbi omo na madonten e dia ho e on check na omo view e maye
Doctor Force ma me no so ni enfensia Erado Kasforce, Financial Secretary, Early Childhood Association of Ghana, na me no atwetwe enkomono Ora Evans so say a head teacher Amazing Grace Educational Center. Meneno entwetwe nkomo. Me so say akwaba.
Oh, mejo so CJ.
And what do you want here?
You been then. Then you ask my sorry, you be funny, sir.
Okay, we a head teacher. A teacher for do was saying, one more, yeah, Juma. What I say?
Teacher for your teaching staff of 26.
Okay, and non-teaching staff, and also
teaching staff year 11. Malu Kabumba year 37 in all.
I see. And salary range, you know, a range between saying, saying. What I say?
It depends. It depends on the magnitude of a Jumana and aside that, you show experience and qualification. But the least paid, no, it ranges from 250 to 300.
I see. And the highest, you know, be 1,000.
1,200.
1,200.
Yes.
Okay. It's a free by a match. Situation, you know, it's say for you especially as a head teacher.
Situation has been terrible. Very, very terrible. Because, you know, with these private schools, no, you rely on in school fees on BTR and feeding fee, you know, and extra classes on more, you know, and only a share, you generate income, the BTR, the bills, and the salaries of teaching and non-teaching staff. And ever since COVID-19, I engulfed the whole globe, no, by storm, you know, I affected Ghana as part of measures I affected place to curb it, no. And the president closely in schools in here. Now, frankly speaking, no, CJ, it has not been easy. Because nothing, no even half of a salary. Because in Kolani TV, I think it's April, and I think be but right after April, maybe easy.
Okay, but
and aside that, no, teachers, no, saying, and your pandemic, part time. Call house to house now or church idea but Akobani said and our virtual platforms then yet schools in Ghana on between for the tablets for instance smartphones for schools need to almost free on free elite homes until their parents can afford the tablet and then the smartphones are a bit they're being and you're forthcoming because okay say Akolani fees parents they should complain. And most of the schools they don't even understand what smartphone is. But they are here, especially with the parents almost free down to and don't see another issue.
Because Yambra Wankasankasa wafem who are you? Who am I?
Yes, please.
Who am I saying?
2 and Babako. Yes, please.
Okay. For you personally, a situation, the school no crowd as a family man, it's saying easy.
Imagine say big number now looking at my status, and I say I'm into this predicament. Then what about needs to know? But I say so it's not been easy. I think say dear fear or dear still easy. And I was listening to Adom, I think ABY.
Yes.
And I think the impending for the Ebawa or many others because mostly further and better consultation and among stakeholders there. But some things say Amoma Yen Crawford never take here. They took a unilateral decision. But because in as much as we're trying to fight against the COVID-19. I think Senkolani so they are one thing in the house. But they are saying this Senkolani my name may be upper primary for a bit may be alongside GHS1, GHS2, and a bit near mitigating our plight. You understand it? Masa Kra said 2021 year, Masada Baka. It's almost if I travel another 3 months. Maybe. And I said, don't be queer. View that directive, no. Very, very important.
Okay, but for a family man to say, or say, we be for and also to me support family, you know,
but for how long?
But why for emphasis here?
Oh, incapacitated. I think say no, you better discuss here. No, the whole family kakra. I think some explain me. extra. I don't think they are appropriate. We'll discuss that one.
I see. But teachers, I am most of the time. I don't know, Sani Amrano etie, but say, oye juma fufuro bi eka ho ebi a wopon school Sani okay extra classes bi on ma woye, but you see eno eni ho. But so oye other business ebi a woton man tade bi ana man pabo bi ana oye bema ebi a we be a small computer ebi a. And also to be support, especially in these times.
Exactly, I agree with you. But I always say when it took everybody by surprise.
Yes.
What they are saying, they are doing provisions towards that. If you are fearing an eye opener, what they are saying, somebody say no be any better than also say they are over share other avenues.
Okay.
In case the inevitable happens, okay. This it took us by storm. Why? But it was a surprise idea. A buy no biambo no biambo no sha abayin krampo no menine
yeah
when I want to near makaka
Alright, sir, but me just what's your adventure? Be say, I mean, private schools fees are kesi a moje enyina no went me and save bi. I mean, for times like this and your fair sana.
A relative.
A relative.
It depends. Salaries no. It is a school beyond the clouds. But it's a school beyond the clouds. School who fit Montessori. Some of the teachers are earning close to 3,000, 4,000. What do you say? And other schools that will the highest paid, they're 800 and now 600. So it depends on the cloud of the school. And we'll cast about your savings. No, imagine 3-4 months. We savings are now a bit me sustaining till this time. And this COVID BBM free, maybe I would be generating scale free, but now we're expecting to be about the top. You understand? And also, I open about the money. I said, we're not about the beauty.
Yes.
But almost no money to 2021, the acquiring one. 2021, the acquiring one.
Alright, sir, I'm not senior friends here.
Okay.
Alright, Evans, so say head teacher, Amazing Grace Educational Center. And meneno after train come on, what say 2021 dear, Adabraka, acquiring one. Yay! Jim FM. Well, Mamini Evans, boy, do or a teacher, he reigns international school, Teshi, Meneno and Chutrim Como Evans.
Hello.
What you saying? Okay, Evans, what's your class, bang?
Pacho, now they're not teaching lower primary.
Lower primary.
Pacho,
okay, class bang specifically.
Primary 1 to primary 4.
I see. Well, over the past months, 1 year Jumano, who Jumafro be away, and also at the church Jumano away. Evans.
Pacho, I didn't want a mayor.
Wow. It's yet to say a question. What worry?
Pacho, no worry.
But who again?
Pacho, there be many other money in the list for 2.
Oh, okay. And yet to say, how is life? About to say, Evans.
It's not easy at all. It's not easy.
Okay, say it's not easier. When you are no more share or other responsibilities we will say take care of as you say I won't humanity. Amaniama enye is any our channel.
Pacho
Diania, Bommy Comakakra.
Pacho, me a Jumane Diana things are somehow okay. I yet to manage it because from the money I get at the end of the month, we are able to manage it. But you see, and I say, Minyas and the younger brother, and I'm 2 nieces, and almost say. I say, you see, I know, even food cry dinner, sometimes it's very difficult for us. This area, my friend, Madame Fobako, a meeting. In their time, to call the man out, Ivan, let's go. Now, they are my Kobo and Kakra. Now, Papa bibi kakra mami.
You Mason nti wadamfo Mason ne kwaye adwuma na wama wo teacher ni no wadi nachi na wakwaboa no.
Mpacho ane. And the situation is now the child a school, but they apply for another school, but now a honor offer me a good, a current school now me one. But I don't know miss you on the match. First, third match, and I'm going new school. And lockdown, school closure of schools, on the 15th of March. It denies a new school there, I heard them and get in the month now, before and closure of schools buy it. But the school was good, they were able to pay us for the March salary.
There's a match na motifi no school it me etua amuka.
Omutia ka full.
Okay, but April, May, June, July, August the bibiama.
Mpacho ane.
Wow. And then 2021 na you say you be school ni de nya de a ebeboa obi ti say wo Evans cry emwa.
Mpacho ane. It is a abandoned to an family. How to curtail the sickness that it will not spread. But we are also appealing to the government that at least it should give a helping hand to these proprietors and the proprietors of these schools, so that they can also, even if it's something little, that at the end of the month that they can even offer us, it can also cushion us to cope. And we can also wait to the 2021. We cannot be in the house. I don't know, even the certificates are there. I don't know which institution is going to employ me now. Because institutions are laying off workers.
Now can say aban betime atuamo bibi kakra minima here woje and mempese maybe because we are on radio, but bibi kakra be saying and nka bosome so na wonsa ka enka wakoma betoyem Evans.
Mpacho aban betime even 500 cedis at the end of the month, because we have to buy light, you pay for water, and we are in Accra everything you buy.
Okay, Evans, I know what's in your fancy here. Thanks for speaking with us, Medasi. Why? Evans Boydo, a teacher ni, he reigns international school of teaching. Meneno and Achuche and Komo. Interesting. But my many about so and Kasa na yeshe Benis Podo and so Chadie ewo Star of Bethlehem School ewo Afaiwa Benis.
CJ, good morning.
Morning, what you saying?
You.
Benis, which class being?
Class 4.
Class 4. What's that there for how long?
I tried just for 6 years.
12 years.
6 years.
6 years. I was Star of Bethlehem. Wow. I see. What worry?
My worry about the issue is
oh, okay. Oh, mommy, you know. As a single mother, in these times, it is saying, Abrabon is saying, Benis.
See, we are not finding it very, very easy. Yeah, basically, no, it was middle of the second term. I got in the second term. So we didn't plan of this at all. Kakra, me that during the lockdown, and hope you say, by September, we will go back to school. And unfortunately, very happy, President Bernard said the court 2021. See, the life is not easy for us.
Kwame na mofrano omfaso edidi one more upkeep daily. Kwame na ofaso manage.
I don't know what to say. You very bro. You don't know what you are going to sell. You don't know what to work. It may be anyone on because fact is we are long workers off. And then I'll go to over our all the share. I think you call friends, they will help you by baby on the papa. Among who call to Mammy or say beside you. And aside that, these children that we are talking about, see, they see, with their Mambra Shama market. Na Mambra, they share in Kalawi, almost swaswa do market. Almost. I'm one parents or market with no social distance. When I market, I need to madam. And they are the children, they are roaming about the streets because parents, they are the same children roaming around the streets. Yeah, past President Joseph Sweno. Only the big it's because to make beer from the outway upper primary up to DHS tour. I think it's okay.
Then some friend Benantina to Jomudia and ka the best school. Nka Esiwa, nka school no crown so crab Bebwamo Frano, San Apostle.
School is about one Frano because during the way we are workshop at how much training. Nama the Brea, I say. Safety protocols say you can't plan more school. Yeah.
Through this period, a Breben pan, okay, says that way, dear. You know, and I said, and cried, when did you cry? Bibisa Essie, you can share with us, Benis.
Yeah, it happened. That's what June 1. Now it's not easy. Like, and more about where we are to is a rented house. By December, I have to pay my rent for 2 years.
Wow.
I have to pay my rent for 2 years.
Saying I would share for 2 years, you know.
A month is 150. A month is 150.
Jim FM. Wow. Yes, and I walk your bar. Tell me about what is saying age, Benis?
I told me 35.
35. We nyanko pan so mo abetimi akoye boni o ana me boa because I ho tre no ho.
See, I don't know. Like, I don't know how you in America because if you are doing the lockdown, crampo, they do the crampo, Miss Ray, Monday, Saturday program, I'm planning for. Mammy Equia, Gangema. Yeah, Mammy Equia, Gangema, doing the lock. Like, he didn't understand me. Those times, no beer, fresh friends, you know.
Yes.
Now, like, no, I say, almost get donation, but 19 taking a number, I'm a friend. No. She didn't understand me. It's only for capture me. And I don't know. Life is not easy. And then I say, a lot of colleagues call. Oh, then you see, I don't know who is to speak for us. And if we are saying this, and government teachers, like, more government institution, and they are doing a lot of things I don't understand because there is a case, no more fee. They are paying you people. They are giving you all what's necessary. But with the private teachers, nobody is attending to us. And
Benis, almost government teachers, you know, and almost salary, no, you enter so 30%. Now you're farmer private school teachers, you know, no, I'm doing this.
Because we all went to a training school, but just that they get the chance to be in the government institution and we are in the private institution. That doesn't make sense. If you are in the house and you are enjoying something, at least you have to share with your colleagues' tickets. If you see I'm working on farmer yesterday, if it's a month, 300 Ghana, 400 Ghana, at least I'm farmer private education.
Benis, my no as any friends here. Why? Yay. Well, for our messages, brah, ya Benjamin enough ya can kind. the ama obi ana also ye teacher ni ana private school juma ni share your thoughts with us nafi ye njimre na ye kenkan enfama o njimre na ye kenkan enfama. WhatsApp number no TTT 0556748029 0556748029 na ya kenkan the amount 0556748029 na ya kenkan the amount. But ana pay biana we private school teacher ana we government school worker UMB controller loans no beboa wo. In fact ebeboa pa kan say we aban dwuma yini ye ma 150,000 Ghana cedis na in less than 48 hours no say timi aka sasika no ya ma 48 months na fi wetua ne kakran enti sa efie no a opese utukomu ana opese usiwie no ana so master's degree program na opese pursue no waka no aye dada no ya ma sa akwanya no na sa ka 150,000 Ghana cedis kane 1.5 billion na wode asorto ho wode asorto ho tisha ne so mame ehun hia se ubie account kra wo UMB uni account ho a bowra ho na fe woni omo enkotwetwen enkomo interest rate no so eda form boko interest rate no eda form boko na nyade a yeje bibia yanji collateral enu hu hia se wode bibia ba besi awowa enti shenen so na onso so chefa ewo mu no yemfa ema o asem bi sabi ana pinche mu bi afre 0302633988 0302633988 and after toll free 0800 100 880 0800 100 880 obetu so ene edi nkita ho e WhatsApp 0266 020 400 0266 020 400 na you know atwetwe en commercial no so senhye kakra e wo ho Airtel Tigo ena edi asem dey edi enamo shane so se anapaya se obetumi a to Airtel Tigo sim anapaya na odi auto sim no ano fire transaction Airtel Tigo money transaction bi aketwa bi enso odi ye ya no automatic odem busumi nsia oh yeah, free morning course anapa no num de kopem anapa nondu free morning course o kasasa enti shene so na fa wo ho ehyemu bi enkomo de ede na unya ni free dia yase enkomo no asopa enti fa ho ehyem kope Airtel Tigo sema na peya na to adana phone no mo Airtel Tigo no so de da no so yase o ya na so dial star 110 hash star 110 hash no select option 2 na we are select free morning offer. Now they are subscribing and one on 2 Ghana cedis pe na yebeto ye to a bosuminsia udem sa anti bo ebusuafo ne adofo ni nyina amane se Airtel Tigo we welcome offer so nkokra ye de ma afofrofo na ya ye adadafo no so ye so yatimi enya ye chefa ewo mu Airtel Tigo money life is simple. Well, COVID-19 brain mu ye bo ye nipadua no ho ban immune system ena ekun ede etia nyarewa boni a eba nipadua ne mu nyina but udidi aye aduane pa se onte ya uyi ema womo edu woma wo mfie so edu gina hono a emu nan ena fei uyi mofra womo endi mfie num egina ho a uyi emudu egina ho a emu ensia ena womo ye affected by iron deficiency anemia na say ade a ehu pa enti yendidi na yendidi ye yendidi na yendidi ye nuane a iron wo mu no eboa nipadua no enti live strong with iron aduane de enoane iron inuane iron inuane iron obinu bi akwa dukumi atnase me waku
CJ
anapa no anim nyam pebe ze adem se when be ata frenti
CJ interview now we no I be kodi obla you
akuma nye rough
oh nada na me rough
ne fepepo
ne fepepo nada na me rough oops I'm say son of me ba so many munya ofe and I'm say ai bibi oho enti aje wie ya na nam tefe chiro ne bia
o di sugar ben nego
o say
o di sugar ben nego
Me thought go more. We free you.
One box nation. Cubes and as
Mango commander.
One cubes and as a
cube.
A cube and a few commander.
Free. Now gas mango. Me turn hey I go come more. But I'll blind you neck come on.
So next you got any Daniel Shango.
Neck come on. Say Yenia Kesiaka sugar. Sugar we has any taste near different.
And if you commander.
As a work across front.
And you go who and
Ohima Johanna Manonkasa. I was in Sinasu. The producer sent me phone lines, no. Na enjoy doing kakra. School who send me but and then the airport no me bana fee about be share airport ni bi 0302216561 0302216562 or your private school you might need at saying I mean let's just get your thoughts now yentimi ehunu ya be 0302216561216562 hello good morning.
Good morning, Cindy. But where are you?
Nyame adom patcho wani.
But your friend Bismarck, a teacher, computer.
Bismarck, who teacher ni?
Oh, that me brother na teacher.
Obra na teacher ni. Obra keto na penny.
Oh, penny one hey.
Wow. Wow. Enti are you private school teacher na public?
Why you private?
Enti ati say obra penny a ono na okọ eba ebremu bi die eti say covid ba yi.
Me ya easy kra. Na me sister kra no no so the line no so no so Europe on easy. But you be anything. Ide who say empenyi say agbo odwan yin free no. Then so no woni ni me boara.
No correct.
What is studio yi yin na company e kire o yin anka be boa yin. Ye no say o de le kuyi ma but yin ba kru mi yin say temo kra no. Kuyi ma mo me boa. Be obi a tete be dia. Na me de me kan say aban say the yin isu kire no. Unche kakra man but do be so adi they say ahoma bi na bibi na kwati ahoma ba ya ahoma na ama na amo what I say nkole yi this school year ninia do ba come to for her you post school ni ya o mu be fi ya e ho ni nsem no school odi empanifo ya teachers bet ma boa no mu pon na teacher fu ni ku fi no mu ba kula ni ba o kakra ni na me so ha mi no because the baby school na se bi ye mai kunya problem ya yen better baba neti ya ban na amwa no akwan eti mi sire teacher for ni say e pa no musu ya aboa ama aban ko eti musu frɛ because ya ni say mi tru mi ni am kama asɛm a easy nanso mi ye ni den
okay me that say hello good morning.
Good morning apom to say
nyame adom patron wani
inkum me driver me first school for
private school driver.
There be I'm a first parent. You're a first driver. I'm a first
taxi driver. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, interesting. And then say for buy busume be nsi ani there. Oh, any dey alfa wo mu bio.
There be.
At say inkum.
Let me say me not me ka ti driver daytime me nam krom. Na mi su me krom be am kwala dia go fie no. So mo ko school mo o me ba mbo asin so mo fie no. Because mo ko school no o me hwe say no so so be hwe. But more than 10, 15, no more than more dear grow, diggy. But go school, teachers, and anybody go more than. They say parents also sometimes, you know, almost percent the piano about moment, I have a problem. See, in the full common cost, we met two in Betty. Oh, also, in the full more crampo, and the parents in the Kata. Southern Tom, Colano Moko, now some more fear, parents, and say, I'm Monco by. Many parents are sabi or your friends or your Benjamin. Also, Kufia or Kujman with Jaka, you know.
Okay, Incumbidase. Hello, good morning.
Hello, family.
Mebatomani.
About your family, Emmanuel, Metaphysician.
Emmanuel Tema Newtown. Oh, your teacher ni.
About your mechanic school bus.
Okay, school bus. Wow. You might be saying?
You, but me the men I say a teacher for I have a form of but and say ye brepa you could tank a landmine baako ɛwɔ SS2 baako ɛwɔ SS2 Jimmy mas ɛbɛtena fie akatua kwa yi bi adeakye abi na ndebum ko ayɛ ti aba bi om so mu ko school in all baako ko school ko 11 baby a 50 to be the ko school all fair ni baby didn't me man ko school until say ejuma be yi and say na kana mo ko school because we bi nkwala nso mo ko school that's on papa ni ejuma ya ni ntiri na mo mako ni ntiri na audio ati ba ya kama kama say it's not for them to help up to the nkwala na ta mo ya ni nu e de ko school
was it oman ya saying do I say
ya 9 4 yes
wow
mienu baako hello baako form 2 SS and baako form 2 JSS yes awumi na on the 5th October so mo go school that's my juma say
but in your case there we a driver me gidi say nka taxi ana trotro bi kura wo de utiye yi anka benya bi atwidi ahwenkora no ana
DJ ene taxi ni mpo no ebi wen na wo kofa taxi mpo juma no kofa we mpo no waye ni bi na kam yanka sama taxi ana me de bobo fi kakra nanso ase krama aja wo koba yo be dia no antina nanso ase ti me tie ami ejuma by edin kwale so muzu ko school ayatin amaye pa me did say me kan ta na ye dia ma driver for be bra musu ki
me that say we ya driver for no kwa to nchen ya ti see na off air ye discuss it one more no anuane eton wo schools one more bie bookshops ne ade e wo school ho and ne ma bie tete sa one no mo yes anwuma no omo so omo to say hello good morning hello good morning me ba to wani
me pa che ta me me ka sa ti so ku
Mefia
pa to ai
o ye teacher ni
pa to am ye teacher
what's your class ben
me pa to no class 5
I see Mefia anti ati saying
oh teacher pa to na me say me ka bi before adem say my first about me the rather say me na konya
it was Mefia
ye call government training college we did tell you since me Winibano. Ye do so pa ye yan ko training college because training college no am fa number of people no and am allowance in chama ye no ye ko go private school no na TJ now be sa ye nya ba ko invite me say TJ TJ diploma as last year na me diploma ye degree ni kunyina na ye chia ye ni dey 350 ni ko dey 450 na CJ eba ni say ebe den ya maybe ato ho
meba o say ye tua wo say na ukunu so ye tua ne say
me ye tua me 350 as last year this year na me read degree but as last year 350 no na me kita diploma from UCC na me continue kita diploma no so we degree this year ya UCC ye tua me 450 CJ na ye say ye call University of Cape Coast Winneba yan ko training college yan jala wanten aban fiyen enti na de ho akosha private schools eno musitiye tije ye o manu ya say school kita degree ni diploma from University of UCC yenti ye kekos
Mefia ye fan komo no embra covid breyi emu ene the fact say ye baby school 2021 as a married woman ukunu so teacher ni na say mo issue no quite serious say mumienu na mo ye teacher for our private school it say wo fie Mefia
me omo de ka me nko mo de a enka ma ban ni because CJ 350 per day and I make a chair mini teacher sponsor say be ko tom piota cray ko pem say aban anka sa be ni say obedi school because public school na ban here e dia ni oni facility or the ebe ma enkwala na ko because they private owners no person e school because of school fees some person
okay men as Mabna has a different issue
no atoroto no
he has a different issue
na ka chie sha na wa opportunity aka
but ohima omo no enuane omo ton books omo ton drinks eraser
me anti be say anti tabua say oton bla yo school anti tabua
Oh, no big deal blow no pay we anumere. The whole deal blow na be do.
Yeah, for become
and every airport ni aden.
Story no ha Ghanaian Times they are back. Ghanaian Times streamer was Kotoka Airport undergoes disinfection in readiness for reopening today. You know some ha was Kotoka na ye wo kwa yes pre baby tokro bia mu yes pre ho amen ne da obokrata kro ya was aso di bia ba was the reopening of airport amidst COVID-19. Ghana tightens measures. It is machines a friend of PCR. Test case no mako 80 and mpanyfo dia ba ye re ani musada ku bia ne nipa o mu be fra ma no ne on be ba Ghana o manam kotoka ne be 1200 it nipa 1200 ye re ani musu wo bia be fa sa fidie ne mu bi ne ne oduru anu afam oduru na so green na jesa wonamu na onim na so oduru na hya se bo pipi that you are as asomaba
we are sure say na e be so
asomaba
I do minimum and you
so minimum sorry minimum enya di tum na bo pepe
story no I mean to me say okay you say your test no what you are saying
I know a $150
it's $150
$5
cities 56 pesos
$150
auntie
wow
Enra a deputy health minister Okoboy Chimu say some of the countries that Togo crowd you see sika etwa to omutua so say Ghana China there so say Ghana
eno na yem party
Ghana there no
eno na wo so omutua manenti ase say ya pomudin tia emfa ma bi de metoto ma bi de ho
say
fa
fatu wonti na prison ni round ho
o man na wo bodin no onipo ye wo ho
tie
nyama bebre wa ye wa wo mu ni
meba mamene abagafo no nkasa na mentie bia mo tia no musuma wo mu Honorable Michael Osei president Organization of Ghanaians Abroad menene ntwetwe nkomo honorable
hello good morning CJ
honorable beton kache na enyame adum ehoboko
boko pa
yede nyame ase me dini se se ade atadwen matede ene yebie airport no ana meboa honorable
ya te de na ja emusa pocket ba bi wo ma je se ha je nkatra
oh I see epo no hefa ye monkomo
ya monkomo CJ yedi kai ma mente wa tie for CJ and we must say you did a privately, but over ready the first time.
That's right. That's right.
About I don't make from so.
Yes, so.
The South Jack on a sober butch. And Ghana for our France, the Connect was making council. I think I recommend the council. The child be
yeah.
No. The porno baby no say. The both president about it. If we say confident in by what you said, the new put the ma I can't go. Then be website. Come here, I'll show you to be our better. That's there, and then my issue. And nothing. How do you have what be airport? That is how drink a can say airport now will be in. Yes, sir, you stop, according to 5 months near. Yeah, but you have a big Ayaka according to what Yamaya. In fact, $150 now. Or just say, what's your tree and time now? Yeah, testing. A hard baby. A hard unit. I would say 5 hours. Now, I did was say, about a shadow. Me research the me who say or you say can be a while the maintain effort you need the COVID-19 honestly as far as I say crowd one COVID-19 test laboratory €54 and I said it says so test people of pharmacy between €20 and €25 out our test to when the airport that's how you want to what make me the airport? What make me the airport? The airport. But idea, I had to say, not encourage people from coming.
because one nobody. What you mean? The last ticket I tour to Ghana, the tour from Paris to Ghana, that I cost less than 300 euros. That's a bit ticket from her in and out to Ghana. Now you less than 300 euros. I about the tria 150 euros just for a permanent dentist. Okay, me cry don't have money. A shop. Also was apostle right one time. And what development? Because apart from Ghana, I compete with other countries for investment. And I said, we go all the money get to invest everywhere. We keep it. So we try to Ghana, 150. Then another country, $50. Ghana for you go to 150. And then we okay, so it's a small factor. Now, I'm just going to do it. I'm fund investment, I'm from another country. So,
okay.
So we got last year, the last 2 years, sir. I hear what about you? The diaspora return, and then we are friends with the home coming. And then I encourage you, and then I never bought a lot from. So, not a you're gonna need, not down to my air banana. Now could have collaboration 5, collaboration 6. Well, you're coming. I'm having to do airport, not the COVID-19, 150 times 6, times 8. I mean, what I say, Jack? Wait a minute from baby crying.
But, good. Can na enka oba ya di play akwafa ofia broche do abagana na wakwada 5-star hotel wa na obetua hotel bills na watwemienu 14 days wa na obetua ana mo complaining ewo ho ani sesi anhihye ya $150 na sima be edio no 20 minutes acha 20 minutes na e the results ama o ye positive a wo na wokro no wakochia busuafo sam yeni enka do na nka mope.
Oh sir, just now, we are testing with the job, getting in the very, very good. But
make Sika, a can't count the board now to me, one would tell hotel bill, 5-star hotel for 2 weeks. Not no complaining, no much as in Kay, and it's a CID, 150. Uchiani ayo tester, woko mienu kano and I'm pesem who then come up. Rossi.
DJ, the cancer, yeah. I don't just diabetes, cancer community. I don't just diabetes. Canadian, that is terrible. That is terrible, but I can understand something, sir. COVID-19 by it, taking the whole world by surprise. It has taken the world by surprise, you know. Government, if you are at once now, who message also take it. Ghana, a developing country, yes, and terribly. And the Canadian, that be at say. What take care? I want to save the situation now. No one settle on definitely. I said COVID-19. About you're going to so. Well, you're going to say that you know it's a coffer. And the community partner can and just army. Please produce and the army. See the start. You're not a baby yet. Say idea, yes, no, we are seeing your quarantine. I got 5-star hotels all the time there, and there were problem. I know what you just said about for Mama. I'm maybe going back. I don't cry. I don't forget. I even $10.
Okay. Etinka mono orose mono ye teswa abai teswa enka one teso imagine saying.
Me feel say abai to encourage people to come into the country to invest, to encourage Ghanaians abroad that were normally lost to the diaspora to come home and help build a nation. What more cost of a test, you know, and they're the same as the cost in the country. I believe that we call Noguchi and I say any the whole clinic and I say any clinic to be our Ghana and say work with your friends the COVID-19 tester. I don't think it's many figures necessary. I don't think I cost more than 200 cities. Something around €40, other $40. Well, it is at West, you know, at this stage, you know, it should come to a point there. Sarkos to be free. But she saying I didn't have free, no. I was at least now buying make it yourself. Or by lining up with the cost in the country. No, I can't try. Now, I team Yama, Yamano. I don't say, God, I go ahead. They say, Upra Boche, Badana. Then I had a sentiment say, a punishment. I didn't know what Boche, to that their punishment.
Okay.
So we are Ghana ni.
Okay.
We are buying investing. We are going to pay machine go am ni pa ba want to plan na biada. E ma tax them the best 5 be 8. We have a beer factory, one district, one factory, about for a young module. And I remember. I got to say so I got local China over there. I was over 150 because we have China ever. Don't think Ghana had it. For quite test Libya. Won't you have 100 and I said 150 chilies, which is about 20 or 25 dollars. $30.
Okay.
So, and this is discriminating between for ever, and I think I'm even about ever. I'm a page of mine.
Okay.
And I said, I hope I'm mine. I buy the children.
Okay.
I'm encouraging and I am right. COVID-19 or no COVID-19, we have to live. Life must go on.
Okay. Alright, madam eba. Enti ne papa mu a wonni hwe ya Ghana ana wonni hwe ya akwakwa na brochira ma nkokora enye sa na asem na akwaye.
Just as I say, Obia Baba Ghana Biano, unless you come and spend money.
Okay.
So,
okay. Alright. My emphasis here.
What would you say? You come and spend money about scabber mine. What about buying anything?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. The see, I know said the whole secret only of course. So how about the China? Only the about tourism. I don't want vacation. How about the home?
Okay.
I don't know about only
Alright.
That person.
Alright.
That person. I cannot do about mine. So CJ, foreign exchange, a cost of power.
Okay.
A cost of power because we be a baby man.
Alright. Alright, you fancy her for ene. Nam gidi say ye bie borders ya de. You be fia say ya hombo na fi baby a wo bia no ya to ache ho ya ba besra wo enti hwe enim ye beba. Okay.
Social distance.
Okay.
And protocols no.
Okay.
I much more than this idea.
Medase Ora Michael or Honorable Michael say President Organization of Ghanaians Abroad. And I'm no etwetwe enkomo no. Me wo Dr. Kofi Boni or a senior research fellow e wo Noguchi Institute or some sort of virologist me no etwetwe enkomo. Dr. Boni me pato me makwaba. Me pato so ho ye de. What I want to pay ye per education kakra test no a sa opesa oba Ghana ne di kan obeye wo abrochire ho ansa na wafu plane ena ne a ubeduru kotokan so a ye beye wo no mienu nsosule be na dantemu Dr. Boni
me so ne wo mu ni say na wo beye ansa wapa no me tie say ndra ye fa say Minister of Information e kan okay bibi say they are requiring PCR results negative. I know what about now. Would do her they different antigen based test. Into the negative into we has a negative. Now just a
me ba to se ne be ya metie fo betia se PCR no a wo use ni antigen no ayi no obetimi abekiri down kakra aman
na wo bi se PCR no ye ka science a ye fa bibi say molecular level nti ye fa bibi genes na ehye virus no mo be mu genes no na we why na kase o say wa amplify no no ye PCR
okay
na antigen no ono ye abo na kasa a virus no eno me bi wo no ho so ono na test no be detected ono say on ko inside nti wo no ho no be detected nti wo hwetu na PCR na fe be sensitive very very sensitive ono say abo no ye ba ko kompa one particular abetimi afa na antigen no ono de anya sa sensitive sa ono go betimi krampo eginya bia say wonya no bebre answer betimi apiki Inti ideally say we are antigen test now. You have no point of care. You field.
Okay.
You field na say negative. So you ban lava. Let's say you be PCR no you are confirm you say negative na. What you say? Just say and as sensitive as PCR.
Yes. Okay. Okay. But me no enkade o hina ehu hia pa se bisawa. PCR no hunya.
But Osha, me echo more for that decision. But me feel say be a dominant mobile. PCR it takes about 3-4 hours. Preparation to finish. Now antigen it will take between 15 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
It's Osha the numbers of mobile now. You can call PCR more beyond some other cycle. Well, say that thing went into consideration. I won't say NSS is there. But a bit me to keep it. A bit me say I'm Mississippi. Only there it missed it. We can miss about 50%. And so people say negative, but the APC what is positive.
Okay, and another baby says PCR in a here. And also na mayen wo ho ansa na mafuple na bagana. And I say and it say me ye no ho na fe me bagana so san be go through another 20-30 minutes of antigen test and working. Na me san so kwatua $150 we actually doc.
Well, I know there will be some the heading me to me because I am na me as a decision in see your friend is in paying for no more you know. I think they have a reason for it, but maybe can't about science. Near and no day and also anything. I'll make me about this is a woman where they decided they are not meant to make it.
Okay, but the document we are trying PCR no how much is supposed to cost PCR no?
Oh, PCR is expensive. So what do you share? No matter now the bomb. So we are one tester. It can go above maybe $200.
Wow,
one test.
Okay,
PCR alone. But what kind antigen based test now? Antigen based, yeah, tobacco. It's between $80, $90. What tobacco kit? Now, ABR, we say, oh, yeah, test that. You know, if you be you see, or printed results, cartridge or paper, or share if I be FMPP, you know, personal protective equipment, or share, we shall so check up. It's maybe out in your boom. There's maybe I'm considering in maybe at the cost of 215.
Is it not rather on the high side? Or share?
Oh, that one I can't tell. Me name the akum. And also what I know is the rough figure for buying an antigen test kit. It's around $80 thereabout. Yeah.
Dr. Mamino, thank you for the education. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Dr. Kofi Boni, a senior research fellow, Noguchi Memorial Institute, was also a virologist, and I don't know, actually in common.
Papa na udi kana ne kasa ye no wo se den
papa no
when am I imagine say asemo na mbese mo ye den
CJ sa papa no
obi di na obla yo ni na mba bi na obi so dey
ubisa no asem bi say oba no ombeye hwea ye nka nche obi oba ni kurom say ombeye hwea aha na ofri enti okodi pa no obre a
obi wo hon so a ye kɔ no no so be so no so ye den
aha ye ni kurom
eba bi
aha ye ni kurom ena meka no eto de bi a the feel of ni fufuo no kura na
ebe ametwa se penfo se kuntu hwan a
ni nchi na ekɔ enti ommeye hwe woni kurom de ohoho na wokɔ ba bi e kasa wo nkɔye hwe tena wo fie aha ye ni fie enti ahama na hu hia ena bo no momo eden sa no oyire ena efra brochire eba Ghana mu betua 8.5 mienu o maka ho a o mu buru mfinhia no mu a na samoye nan a mu betua 8.5 million 8.5 million 9 ena mu betua we airport enti e kan say na obu nkitu a bi ba wasa eja wom obi aka tua no say 3 million no kai
ai
ni kunu ye 4.5 oni 3.5 oh nti say obetua 8 million nti aban betimi amene ka no kakra
na fam
aban timi mene kakra ma omo
asama kwa me bisa honorable Michael say any response to the man na very interesting ni bisa na say kania uba bidi na watwe mi no na wa watua wo hotel bill na ya wo test ne ade o say cancer nya
na no just diabetes ni nyina nye option bia nye ye choose bia say Kofiasa Tambay daily graphic ni ye run up na da mo a wa ma ne nsa so ahwe wie mu yi na that president na private school say wo mo dwa no wo mo say wo ma wo mo nsa sifam pa me school wo me feel future leaders Oko break one of the best private schools say we break potem hono no future leaders ye bridi more den nti na onim se nka hyehyɛ bi beba anya se private school owura no na nka me of akandi akwaji bosia de abetua ka no ayeda akwakotua sa bosia no what you say nti nka teacher for no direct na nka ban aboa wo mo se de be o mbenya kakra toto bibi adie ene se yesi 2021 ene o mbeko school nti say ama o mu bridi pa na the democrat ni fan etoso du back se ye free 13 gender no ya badu back honom no mde ensem na ba beguo na enwonwa so mo kan ace bia na mo de aba gender ba bia ma wo enye enkwa na enye umema ni susu nya bi na Society for AIDS in Africa SAA ena wo mo ayedwumadi a wo mo se pandemic ya be covid e ka wo bia wotimi wu na woni e wo HIV de ekumo mo ntentem ne sa so nti adolescent na se mabunu a wo mo nya yade no bi no woni nkwada wo ye encheche dwumadi bi e de ma wo mo se de wo betentene wo mo mpom na ahoden aba na se yawe ne ba wo mo mpo a enuro na wonom e de ba wo mo ban ne nti watumi apamo no e na PPAG eye Planned Parenthood Association of Ghana wo mo so e de enuro ma bi akwakoma Sanerugu Municipal Tamale Metropolitan Health Directorate no eso won fam wase de be ya o betimi ama ayaresa papa ene gender ye fa ho no ha ensem a wodi egu ho eno no na kese ewo mre de akwakwa ye de wodi ho nkomo yi ntimi nyina de Democrat de aba
okay mame fa Ghanaian Times mfanto aso na Ghanaian Times no de aba beto monten wazo ampanyin dada John Dramani Mahama wa keke bi pa de akere mampanyina be de echi ama emunsem de obokrata de aba ensam na de se onya bi na kenkan ya wanka sa be unse de normal esi kro nyama no we nam de beka na mom Ghanaian ta we delegate de obokrata kro na ena echa wose se de MPP amanyuko mo tata NDC amanyuko mo yo mo deba ha ni nyina da ene se manifesto bosha wo mo hye Ghana de hye ne ahweso ato abade amo mo NDC e ka so mo de beba no ache no mtu hye da na MPP force se e ka so mi ni hweka wo mu ni hweka eti no mu dwane ne ntene de obokrata no de aba wo panyine ya boa bia samwane mfonyine e da ha won to nkrade ma MPP amanyuku no na airport nsem no disinfection e no so mo nsem e wa ha e na ejapadiu e so mo nsem e wa ha wo se ejapadiu has come to stay eti e no ya asema abeto monte a wo ma mo mpene so na e na ejapani ye mpene so no e panyifo ase a chi alegi kokoti usukura no mo ye no mo e ba ya na e ba betena ne de obokrata ye friend say daily guide in the buyer.
Yeah, na pame and then if you me papa me nua be ma Isaac say breakun was this adwuma pa wo bo nti obi apesa ode ne ho bo no ye nominate no nti yakopon hwa no ni
adwuma ka o me ntene nka
sa wo ho wo betene nka say wo bo adwuma pa
so una ye intermediate
yes akwada na ha adwuma gumpanfo na anim ase o se say bo MPP tutu o breakun
e ba de ko jini Ghana
there be we MP no no so crash for so anyo mo kwan bon tutu hu away pa
na dey na ko jini Ghana
and dey say am farmer no
anti ono anya na ye de ma
kwesi o say but o ye adwuma
o ye ma na ni da ho
say o the project bi aba o say o solicit for funds o no wan kasa nya aban na ye o si chip compound e dey amakro bi nti say o enche bi o balance a o no wan kasa e ma cement $100 na wasresra amanfo de obi a wo no de amano so de be besi chip comment nya mi
ya ma famia ya eko
my baba ya ye kwedi oblayo
si a cham
oblayo bi ja vene o ka eko egwe mi
obi dum ye kwakwa dukume ohima sechua kwaku sani a wo peti ani me mfanya mo kwan
your mama oye factory baako osi obefiti asichire se me no kasai obia ni Ghana ha wano mo blayo konko cap baako a se asichire ni bi ewom enso osi yenye 1D 1F no ayaye no a factories no ato apete na eba bebre no ya ntimi anye to abai the yesre ye my Ghana and wo mom to mu aba wo my no di dwama no ne ene obi o ka ho se yen sisi ne yen hwe de obetimi ahwe man no so yie
Adamano 6.3 FM. Shane Subami, sisi aniamemu. Ayedin. Enti se wunye sika faye ade ho beba wo emfaso. Wamo NJ football hono. Ya mo akwenda na wa enjoy more than 20 live matches on a given week. From the best leagues in the world. Well, wait me share La Liga, Serie A, Champions League, and a Premier League, DSTV, and a amount value for money. Value for money. It's more than a quarter DSTV Zappa decoder be. Yateso at about 229 Ghana cedis. Pay 229 Ghana cedis. Pay and a fee 1 month access. Na fee would ya enjoy. Reconnect 45 Ghana cedis per month. 45 Ghana cedis busumi bia enti we umpewi na wope edien enti Shannon DSTV feel every moment. DSTV feel every moment. Shannon yade asedano Emma Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes, water flows. Tabia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine. Vodafone, I say the future is exciting. Ready and afi latex from your partner for life. Agbeve Herbal Center, Wayarisa, Efi. And you Adaroma, and yede naposo, yede ebrewo. Mensaka GKSMS, Ghana Limited, penny for Ewaha. Menuamo ebetri and common, but answer nano. Tiwi mame, me ba ebejushim komo.
Kaya insurance, faba ubende. China semti, protect yourself today. Sake of tomorrow. Sake of tomorrow. Kaya insurance. China semti, kaya insurance. Kaya insurance. China semti, kaya insurance.
Flatten go fit come, fire go fit come. Accident and sickness come, you go fit come. And point your war, or China or Sikani and what dini to me call Febisi insurance, Febisi, or insurance, Febisi, and real insurance, Febisi, for fresh yo.
Because of tomorrow, go for insurance. Cause the future is uncertain, go for insurance. Don't waste any time, go for insurance. Cause the future is uncertain, go for insurance.
Jim FM. So go for insurance. Imagine komo na empenifom you know Oma Transi mobile delivered insurance campaign. It's actually bad idea here pa na anapay Ora Victor Agrifen or assistant general manager operations My Life Insurance now William Asari Northern Ghana sector manager Ayo Intermediaries Ghana Limited. William and Victor Mwakwaba.
Yeah, CJ.
Fantastic. Mete mobile delivered insurance campaign. William, tell us more.
Yo, CJ, medawasi na mechi Adom FM ebusuafo gina etiefo gina. Na fe yesi busome fufuru nti yema obia so good luck e was September mu. And obi ode ne ho ahye insurance dwumadi bia mu so no ye bechi ano. Mobile delivered insurance abelfo kwan incantity no nanka ye insurance ese ye forms ba no wa fill only bank account so sign signature ne ade but nansen no de obi akura mobile phone nti sisi anu ye de ade no ato mobile phone so nti se we use yamo se we use efiera so amio se we use android o se we use den ni gina no ekura wa wo dwom wo office wo da wo mpaso ubetumi aye insurance unya de unsabo phone so na say enka o hawa obefam na wa office akofile form say ebia kohabra ha say no uda umpamu oti office o sisi ano aye simple until a touch on your phone you are good to go until san hihye aye hihye ya the National Insurance Commission aye ejumaku a Ghana ha insurance companies nyina no omo na omo hwe omo so aye Papa Justice ya ofori eda no na German International Corporation aye German aban ene ne nkra bata omo no mo hwe mpuntuo e wa amaman so no omo no mo de omo ho agi dwumadie ma ye po the ro a kire Ghana for say ebun behia so bia e de ne ho behye mobile delivered insurance ye twa ne tia say modi.
Okay, but William, there's a hashtag LDD's campaigning #sake of tomorrow.
So we the your young boys if you speak pidgin then you say sake of tomorrow.
That's what
you for understand.
I know abab
you bab. CJ sake of tomorrow ochinanti ana ochina semunti CJ yeti hey the next 1 minute sema eda yenim don hwere eda yenim afi eda yenim ne ebesi enti ochinanti fa ho hye nhihye mu se ne ebe ya se yare o se owuo se eprao na watumi enya bibi e de ho ayeden atoso eyensi achi ba se ne wo kan no aba esi wachi se ne bibi pem wa onto fom na wakotwere wo ye wo wachi sisi am bo a onto fom ebejewo enti no se eyowu a sika no entumi enyeden enyane nipa na wawu no nanso waja mofra wachire eyire bi wo ho ma bi wo ho school fees ye betua enti sika no ebetumi ayeden atumi aye bibi se eyenso a ebetumi atonsuo ebetumi asesa nkonwa ebetumi abo canopies enti no sake of moro no ye pache se fa wo huja se ne ebe ya bibi tun a onkonko bobosia ana investment bi a waye onfa onsan kobom sa investment no there's no guarantee say ye na obey no kran san we beba no obenya de akohye ho enti no ana ebia so ana wakosere okosere nso a eja wanum Ghana for ye de beyewo enti no san hihye wo ho se ne ebe ya bibi ba obenya bibi na do ho atoso na bibi anso akoto ten e dia ma
Victor ma memra ho na mi sa kwan ya mefa sa mobile insurance so kwan mefa so de abo me ho ban.
Okay, won say me nya be ma ka say enyo me betimi apemo no eguahuro
yes
obi wo ho a we nya akwanhia ema na edwuma yo ntimi ye bio we did them anope ya wo ye interview no teachers asem na okan won say papa bi ka say na ye incapacitated
yes
obi ka say the headmaster film we na yen sama yeti na anope ya esida inti risk ne de wo ho ebi ye say wo dofo efim ebi ye say we nya akwanhia obi wo ho a oyare ohia support hospitalization ni na ye enoma wo ho a ese wo bo ho ban wo ye adwuma na unya kakra ba onsem no na bo ho ban obi wo ho a so ni wa hwan na behwe ne mba endra teacher baku wo Western Regional teacher no yoba ni kunu a disabled person we film Emma papa na oda ho na ye hwe no no tie no 24 hours scramble no so film omoja nkwala mi no sansem we na asi inti yese bo ho ban wankasa wo hwe risk a ewo ho ma eni wo hwe obotom a we no mobile delivery insurance no e na ne bo ne wo fam ebia obia botom ebeso inti hwe dia ho beso hwe dia eye ma so ofu se bo ho ban se uni ho a ye hwe omba mamu nko school se wo pra wonya car kunhia se wa wonim car kunhia dia a problem we have
yes
inti causes of death for Ghana nyoma ma ye film for Ghana.
Okay, but Victor, then it brings me to my next question. Okay, convenience say ma wa ho to so chiremu kakra
ho so ne say ye kan mobile phone penetration for Ghana say obia krebi mobile phones ni podos so yen Ghana for inti just obi access no ho obi aso so no po hwe ni phone so ukura wo bank wo ho ukura wo wallet wo ho inti betimi ayo insurance no so ho easy say obeya nhihye no company bia wo ne de bia wo be frɛ na omo de wa hyem wa obenya message wo phone so ye beti usika na ye beti through wallet so uhia wo questions bi so be bisa wo be frɛ number wo be chechiro mu wo be ye o claim say bia asem esi ye fan say me se minya ka kunhia na se me pra na se minya sika se e de ahwe me ho a wo bebo number na wa frɛ o me ka se bi atwamfoni ya che say doctor trust we pra wo betwa ba na o me tue sika ni gu wallet mu simple nti e affordable wo hu che say ne bo onye den e be so obi aso say dia on nante nko on say traditional insurance dada no ye fa krata na wa tro wudin bebi a ote na wa sign na ye de akọ bank na bebi na yate say ye nsa abiom wo fa wo phone na we mia de a wo pɛ wa fa selection a wo pɛ free type a wo pɛ ahia wo betimi tua a wo tua ho papa o we hu hyehyɛ ni say de te na wa ye we ya busum bia otimi hwɛ say yate wa na ye nte o asem si na say okoji usika phone na so na wo fa o on sorry nko bebi a o phone now so now fa now the aju sika na ba wallet ya bo message fe wonti BBS ya for phone now friend.
Okay, and William na catching, I mean some of the main activities for this campaign sir adwumadi ben isa na
me san ada wasibium enti no GIZ ene NIC campaign ya ye modi no nhihye bebre wo ho ene dwumadi bebre wo ha ye na ye de abodero de a che Ghana for ni amansan enti ebi ne de yaba ye radio interviews the whole Ghana enra and start here enti ye be call station after station after station Adom TV kra no ye sign e wo ho no say Friday afi ye wi a ye be call dwom ye be call public places na yakọ church enti edwadifo ne ye maame no se muhu se ya hyehye ye t-shirt ne ade ne ya ba na ye ba be church mu hia hu be hia se wonfa ho nhye ma na otumi e de ho nso ahye mu bi afi ye wo drama a ye be ye first na ke be ka se play nti ye be ye play ayi wo TV so ma obi a hwe bi na mfaso a ewom ene kwan a obefa so e de ho ahye nhye mu nyina no ye be yi a kire afi ya san ye documentary and also no some of the selected TV stations no ye be yi na a cheche se ne be ya ye nyina no ye beti ase ne de ho ahyem ye sign wo health clinic ye be san ye and also no ye be ko baby a ye si ho na ya ba be health clinic ye be hwe apomudi mu nsem na ye tuufo se ne be ya ubetumi atumi ahwe wo so yi na yare en time bobobo basa
okay but I'm say on the initiators of this very excellent campaign there what so say GIZ
German International Corporation and National Insurance Commission of Ghana.
Okay. Well, Victor, so me person me who more about this campaign. Contact me. How do I contact?
Okay. It's no. The number at ho say obia otie. O feel say ade de me so me person me hu nsem ni bi ka ho. Person de me hu shame no. Number na wo be friend here 0302 960 696. Patrol Bosubium 0302 960 696. And I so young guys here your social media at Modi into MODI hashtag no sick of Moro. Baby, I'll be Fabia, I'll be say Pio, I'll be who sema ye the two social media so with me a kind. Say students, young people are mufu say more them we phone people no get on it na mun share na mun sua bibi enfim. Okay. Obi so bibi opeso ofre on free working hours no obi be fa no wetie no wa ma answers.
Okay. Well, fantastic. Into final comment, William, my member of Nafibia.
CJ, em say many ajipa senior Adom FM magie ya no pay interview no so akofefe. What are nefe? Me kwa na what's our signature gumna audio amakwesi asare so akaka
me designer no contact be ma
yeah mate
your friend Iclin clothing
enti yes Ghana for emre no nie obia mfa ne ho enhye nsiechi ba mu eye mobile delivered insurance CJ kwasi broni ahyehyɛ na brabo sɛ bibi ba owo bibi ode ne sa ebu enya de a okosere ana okobo bosia ana ne sika bi ode asie no nti no nhyehyɛ wo ho pacho fa ho hyem Ghana fo nyina yesere mo minim network a use de but all the networks in Ghana obia wo insurance platform wo ni phone no so a sɛ wo de ho hyem a bibi baba bepe na che sɛ nyame ayewadom no wanya kakra na agya wo de asokete wo ho
that's Victor. Yes, sorry. Final words.
Inti no me biti me pia on the dosu enesi mayem kase ochina ebiti me si bo ho ban na ensechi ban no protective inti edamase.
All right. Well, 18.5 minutes mo train come Victor Agrifin, Assistant General Manager Operations My Life Insurance, William Asare, Northern Ghana Sector Manager, Ayo Intermediaries Ghana Limited. So, it's hashtag Sick of Moru. Hashtag Sick of Moro. That's right.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Titi. Yaba, Tiwi Mami.
Kaya insurance, Faba woman, China Senti, protect yourself today. Sick of Moro. Sick of Moro. Kaya insurance, China Senti, Kaya insurance. Insurance, insurance.
Flatten will become fire go fit come. Accident then sickness come, you go fit come. And point your war, or china or boss, Sikania, or Dini to me, coffee, Febisi insurance, Febisi, over insurance, Febisi, and real insurance, Febisi, for fresh yo.
Because of tomorrow, go for insurance. Cause the future is uncertain, go for insurance. Don't waste any time, go for insurance. Cause the future is uncertain, go for insurance.
Jim FM. So baby, ansana na boni na drew. Ese aniema sisa EcoBank. And for cry about great news for sales with EcoBank Pay GHQR. We hear sika. QR code no e wo phone so no ano eno na odidiga. Edition so. Make the move today and reach more customers with the new EcoBank Pay GHQR. Say COVID abayi. We are saying I also sika dia akotuaka. Sika na odon sa so mu kura so yasem. Edition so. EcoBank Pay GHQR. And I am to make contactless payment from anywhere, in store or online, from any bank account, any bank card, or any mobile money wallet using their phones safely and conveniently. Ope enkomwe ho enchiremu anawa sembisebia for 0302213999. And also 247 toll free 3225. EcoBank jene ho to say sabre bo ho ban if COVID-19 yare no EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank. Erica Siadubu di Abrante come on. I shall me boss out feed there. By all means, I in a bedding.
Adam Sports number one. Adam Sports number one.
From long tennis to javelin, swimming, Edeko wrestling. The way a Tiger Woods is swinging, Sergio Ramos is tackling. The way a Messi is dribbling, Cristiano Ronaldo is scoring. The way a Olilaji Olympics, Aboswa, also is diving. Adam Sports, Mudieni, we're doing the listening.
Rise up and be a star. Strengthen with BX stars. Power.
BX free and ponsa if pharmaceuticals ya grow for fra. Ebwa huna metuntwetwe ne pie we aduane ayediem. Ne senti BX buama ye aduane ayediem mu mfaso.
Yeah. Stay safe. Wash your hands at the running water for at least 20 seconds. Sanitize your hands and please stay at home. There comes a time when we hear a sudden call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying from coronavirus. It's time to lend a helping hand. We can go on if we listen day by day to wash our hands and try to stay at home. 'Cause we are all part of God's great big family, and it's true, the love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children,
Action take from Mario Götze.
Jim FM 106.3.
And sports Babaso and passports and Rena so live on Atom 106.3 Atom Sports page 1 Yamwakwaba and some of the doors on the Fata South in Yaketewasi and you're the Papa Bianya Sopi. And playing so Yampadia a BX tablets and I'm so F pack na Ponce for the King wedding some not the April. MTN everywhere you go. They say the MTN where do yeah. Uniswa who heard that MTN DJ. Zidem, Yamu Pique. I'm okay. One of player in 7 Pro live on Atom 106.3 live on Facebook at 106.3 FM join on Facebook. Now you Fimu come up. You won't belong to me and let you down. I walk around and see your night. Immortal Jakwa Champion Sergio Manucho. Copy Stone, Professor Wallace, Patibo Trebi, producers, and Ano Pain. Kejuana Gassanier, Eric Cassia Dubois D. Abuzia, Yamwakwaba.
Adum Sports, number one.
Jim FM 106.3.
Everybody, ampa everybody, Yamobia Kwaba, Biema de Bacasa Fide, Sona, Yamobia Kwaba Sadiana, Yashen Sabanase at the Ghana Football Association Congress, and Ecoso Ghanaman Soccer Center of Excellence. Na Yinfidia do what da Yashe, Ibetimia Pomutia Ecoso na way, ordinary Congress, Sonko crying Yiza, football for Ghana, Yina, Cocopium Watches, one bet to Yama Ghana football, that's me fun and to my preference, that's Piano Pani, Mokwamasi Ligino. To me and Shasiana Finson, Humudia, Naniama to me Aquankan, and no, na Yacopium Hormono, and some air cost on a particular to Yacopium. Then ye is the cry, Yamongramo Pram, not Yanshe, Senia, Echo, so our Honomo, maybe some man on the fire lady, Edgenaso, our Buemudia Coso Pram, may Aquaba. Maybe I didn't honey at the idea. Yes, she said, you to me as a copimo or air pram, nanny maybe some on the sports team, Mama Copimo, Horna to Chocomo, when you may some show Talemo, Cobblestone to Talemo or Pramprama. Yes, she a bit my copimo, yet to me at the reporter, Ecoso Hall at the Abro. Said before Congress now. Members ni bebrina na ekire mo se woman inshara nya ho se beko congress an se proposals ahodwa omode abetum se panifo hwani mu dwuma no panifo twio mani yu mani mo kra na omotwe ho mo entiase entie no nti na omani inshara nya ho se beko a afedi abrowa epumakwam aye kokoye congress ewo eye prampram nti ye se bebo mu akopi mo prampram na ye de ekoso enso abrowa san ye move on akohwe de ekoso so ewo eye ensem foforo mu ayatom 106.3 sports page 1. Na yaka congress asemono na injunction bi na mowiem se amanfo person de injunction to ade ne so clubs ni bi Tachima City for kratwom ti some person de injunction to so na awra ne di odro safo executive council member
injunction din na ma ye be AC congress no kwai na obian survey but as an experienced legal team in Ukraine no say it's ya support bibia atenya ni tie say omo court no pay collect expert emotion no they say omo tumi injunction aye ejuma pamba na ye wo hodada yes file appearance on condition because to be 7 na so wo say bibi sai sia o tumi file appearance on condition and so beto no sana ayewo abombusa until no so pleading na omoro draw bomo of state suit of no na omoko omoba say me appoint
yo na no drasa for odrobe kremu kakra na yakopranpra me yakwaba
yeah Pedro Anankasa
na bibia boko de
yes Adum bibia boko yes say ahodin mo ne ni Pedro mo de bibia okay but that's the earlier reported on there Asempa FM yeah kai say you do have a match 5 a.m. I set up bibia ya di ejumano asa ya kama bibia konkan na mo me do baby no na soja for ni police for abase penny say you're allowed say you be OB from here. Meanwhile, no na no more allow my eba inside. I arrange inside the started show for almost 2 hours. Suddenly na omoba bekase ye ntutu ye masen sisi na kwese to the sense that I had to even kneel down and cry in front of the General Secretary for Sahara to do. But I say decision no one of it take it and no only hoshi obey. So we had no option to say na but all the same share proceedings whatever ever possible habia no the bumping for us here ever to na delegate maybe abba kama I wait and to say the president Kata the Ghana Football Association and say but yes.
What's it? Omo mayenye obino sesen mentiase papa omo pamo central for na multimedia for pe
multimedia for enkwana ya be set up ha me hu central for bi o ma be set up but actually me or profile and the no say all but no a lot of also flooding with a lot of calls. I said Juma companies be out a year for a purpose. I allow young one and my idea OB and all that I am player more and all that. Something not to say. Like
I said, you know, and yes, I am quite obia. One of the Amon Kwamomania Ubi.
Yeah, what have idea possible?
Come compared to other Congress, I would do when you're and then no difference when home.
Who become America of it's a channel and bad compared to other Congress, and net and Crawford at the bantam, or set up now a beautiful. BBR protocols no are in orders. BBR no credit. We can't I don't want to be PM. I think the BBR President actually PM there and almost the president is successful, but I wasn't ready. Any bad.
All right, me you be jauna mo hweso abodwuma na de be pia chiri bia no mo de aba ye be san frɛ wa chiri ahwede akosi why
all
right, Congress enkomo ena yabo live from Pram
Jim FM
na yeguso ensamono at the April live on Atom 106.3 na sports page wana yenko Kumasi nko ready yekoso metema Kumasi asante kotoko wamo akachi yenua Richard Smith tonko eboyimu kotoko nsamo koso ensamo koso
na on the board meeting no ebi amemfa mumure mu kakra di board meeting omuye omunyedie ma nyame yadma Thursday ombesa ayebiem no omuye board meeting ni eteto yo mu kan meeting ni board meeting na sibia no yetidi na on say ensam ni bi eyese na ne amponsa akohia air board no o present the management adema air board no no kure wo mpa ne say board no age aye names ni bi wo hono ma empanifo we mu no asensem kakra bi wo wo mo tinkebe yanka na ne amponsa anko na nkwonsa amra bi but nkomo kakra amedi di na e wokotoko akache no echirima board no enipa miensa bi hono mo a omo de metini akache say ye konk 99% den ya omo bedone eye Kumasi no management team na omo boaduma pa ama eye club odi kan eye yewura eye Emmanuel Dasubri papa club licensing board no no odimu akwotini ye pa ono no to say eye konk 99% sa papa no eye den ya ono no ebe administrative manager stroke Accra rep ede ama eye Kumasi Asante Koro office kra na akotoko penwo enkani na because of Emmanuel Dasubri entina kotoko epe another office and so on minti obobo adwuma as administrative manager then no asan aya Accra rep ede ama ayi Kumasi Asante Kotoko as a lawyer Kwame Akufu for legal issues no no and ebe handle e dia mo no so no e 99.9999 je say board na gina tumwa ni ta no ba be legal no e dia ma e Kumasi Asante ko and afi David Obeng e ba na branding and e say ye ton e kotoko e de ama e de corporate order ono so and e ba be ye e de ama munti nipa miensa we die me ne mo ka say nyame ya odoma Thursday sa board no ehia na na amponsa on be ka kire no say nipa miensa we die assistance now no o ma juoma tum so mo bo adwuma emfama e Kumasi Asante ko mo ma ka ne de a service kakra e de da ho ampanifo aka kire na ne amponsa say nke be ya nko na on sign me be as part of the 85th anniversary no ampanifo say on betimi ama kotoko no akọ international level kwa because na ne amponsa ba and say de yedi nka keke bia no fiu say kotoko ehia e facelift enti hye kakra ampanifo aye ne say nyame ya odoma secretariat wo no so mutimi ema no eye facelift enti me ne mo ka say enema na asese o eye kotoko secretariat nyina no dodo na yentete ne say about 90% kotoko ampanifo atoto a nyame ya odoma mo be hwe say on betimi de aye secretariat ne say be ya the facelift no enso betimi akonkan adiama aye club no then again ukoko secretariat si a say the tiene say ko secretariat no land no so pa enti empenifo hwe ne say land no ataso mo eye ko secretariat ni bikura dia ba be ka ho no den ya land ni bi ebetimi asa aka enti empenifo dwene say sa land na ebeka no daachi bia no o de besi eye hotel adiama eye Kumasi Asante ko na afei o ma tu eye hotel ni din say Kumasi Asante Kotoko Hotel Kumasi Asante Kotoko Hotel enti asase kakra na anasa asase na aka wo ekoro secretariat wo no we ene nhihye kakra mpanimfo peso mo de eye
we ene de ekoso wo metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko wamwakachia ya chichi ni kufu na yete abro akaso fokufu wamwakache former player de maboboko no aya Gilbert Fiamenyo wananua to Josephson semni mu se hey what is that for jaiso hey mistake being Tebide so nye players ka mujano mako one of my best players the pa na den na mujano amana kosa cheze wodwen ho you can't take man you can't take fakra na wachire mu ese boboko na boboko kese enu ntino enka player kese te sesi no na ese ko mujano ema no ekwa ya don sam so eba na no pai mu ho de ekọ na ene eba ka hye ne so se ne ene ye twen se case for so de o decision beba se we fero se kwakupa ma yensa nyi no yensa nto aba foforo no nya opportunity better so na yentwen na bato wo from watime gina na say ye clan name keka na sesan ye twen de cars e de be banne enti ka chane so sa enso efa emame Johnny van de Beek wabedu 45 million euros 40 million pounds bra we United for a player na Santi ka chane so sa efa emame na no adanche Upamecano usina kan ma lives go no so United for nya van de Beek dia Upamecano meka ho wono so mani abre ne so person ko fa ne bane ade Sevilla for ani abre a chese kwambia so Ivan Rakitic no say Barca no de 12 mu to so ko fa bia ba former player nti wo say kontu hwe ne chene kontu ma bojma en former na bibia so entimi enkoyi enso ehorme na nwume ye trans ye sports picture everybody live on Atom FM I fucking be established empty na monsan fete kan ho ani ade sam no ade ebrewo so fan nankasa nka kejuwa ho haram kejuwa nankasa ne Eric Asidu Buari yakra